Welcome back, guys. So I just got back from that test drive. Definitely check it out. It was a special test drive this time. One of my buddies deserved. And today we're gonna be walking around this 1977 Corvette. This is one I went test driving in. Runs and drives great. So definitely check that video out. In this video, we're gonna walk around, point out any kind of chips in the paint, issues that I see. I will let them be known. I want you to know everything about it before you get here. We sell cars all over the country. You can also get financed and shipping information at maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures, so definitely go to that website and check that out. We post videos every day. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. This one does have some light scratches pretty much all the way around the car. A little bit of fading going on in the paint. If I can get real close and let you check it out. See, like an old paint job here. Spider webs. Some of the clear coat's messed up. You've got some spots in the hood. Some chips up the front. It definitely couldn't hurt to put a new paint job on this car. You see the little scratches in the bumper there. Got good tires on it. Looking down the side, looks fairly straight. But you got all this right here. That's not gonna come out. It's not gonna buff out. Just needs to be taken care of. There's a chip in the paint there. You're not gonna find any rust in the doors. This is a fiberglass car. So we're just kind of running down, showing you all the chips in the paint. T-tops. Looks like it somebody had some pinstriping on there. It definitely did. Look at the gas cap. This is a magnet, strong magnet. Dual exhaust on the back. Not too bad down this side. Another chip in the paint there. A couple chips here and here. I'm a chip seeker. Got a line in the paint there. Looks like they had a stripe kit on this car at one point. If you look real close. There's a chip in one of the T-tops. Got a crack in the paint there. Scuff right in the middle here. All right, guys, we've walked all the way around the car here. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out, get her started up. Now I'll try to get you some undercarriage shots. Door opens nice and smooth. Interior looks pretty good. Door panel's in good shape. Weather stripping, and it looks nice around the door. Let's look under the door. The jamb. It's kind of hanging down here in the corner. right. The dash is in pretty good shape. Go ahead and place your bets. We like to play a game. Do you think the horn works? Go ahead and start her up. Starts up nice and easy. All gauges work. Oil pressure, water temp, gas gauge, volts, radio, AC, tack. Speedo works, it's showing 48,000 miles. Tilt. You ready for the horn? The horn doesn't work. The thief came back. Telescoping steering wheel. Wipers. Oh wait, turn signal, my gosh. Wipers, they work. Power windows, fly up and down. Seems like everything works in this car. It's good to go. Manual. The door shuts easy. Motor's real quiet. Insulation still up under the hood. You gotta push this in. She'll drop down. Locks up nice and easy. You can see that hood is not in great shape. It's got cracks and spots all in the paint. I'd say to do this car good justice, put a paint job on it. The body looks nice and straight. It runs and drives great. Everything works on the dash. The carpet and the interior looks great. Get the same color paint it has now. And if you like the rack, leave the rack. All right, guys, I'm gonna do an undercarriage shot all the way around. We're gonna start in the front, go all the way around this car. Definitely check out the test drive video. If you're interested, you can see how it runs and drives going down the road. It's awesome. Let's look up under this. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I post videos like this every day. You can get finance, shipping information all at maplemotors.com, including 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory. And we pick up about 10 new cars every week. Once again, I do want to thank you for watching the channel. I want to thank y'all for sharing my videos here. I'm about to get out here and wash all these cars. They got the road all messed up. There's dust going on them every day. So we got to hand wash them every day. Yeah, that's good exercise. All right, dudes, let's get it.